Judge number 1 is 35 years of age, a native of Dulac, Leyte, a Doctor of Philosophy major in Educational Management. At UP Diliman for his professional studies in education at Asian Development Foundation from his doctorate degree. And work experience, a master teacher of Dulac National High School. In 2022, he grabbed the Dulac Regionate, Dulac Leyte Division, Dulac South District, Dulac National High School Most Outstanding Junior High School Teacher. And on 2023, an International Excellence in Research Education Awardee. Ladies and gentlemen, our judge number 1, Dr. Colin D.
His sexy man put ko gamay, guliya put mo gamay. The most powerful and the most beautiful thing that you can do to yourself is to know your self-worth and the things that you deserve. Because your self-worth can only be determined by yourself only. Do not rely on other people to define who you are. A fantastic and majestic evening to all of you. The girl naked before your eye is a 23-year stunner. My name is Geraldine Muning Sabay Cura, a Bachelor of Arts in Psychology at University of the Philippines, Tacloban campus. And all the way from the land of the most bravest Datogara, from the municipality of Carigara, province of Leyte. And since tonight is a celebration of homosexuality and diversity, let me stand by the name of the girl that captures the heart of Mr. J.M. de Guzman, ang babaeng nakikita nyo araw-man o gabi. Si Binibini, Senyorita, Miss Barbie Imperial. Barbie girl ko, nag-iiwan na talaga, hindi lahat ng masarap ay mahal. Katulad mo, masarap ka nga, pero di kami mahal. And this portion is brought to you by St. Peter Lifeline. Inyong kamatayon, ilang kabubuwason. Sit back and relax because our candidate number 1 will be back. From the bottom of my heart, I love you. Back, Samoy.
Here in production segment, we have 10%. In the talent segment, we have 20%. Swimwear, we have 20% as well. Evening gown, 20%. In the Q&A portion, we have 30%, an equivalent of 100%. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Once again, the chair, Robert Touches.
Road trip? When I say ho, you say ha. Ho? 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 Hakdo. Tonight is a beautiful celebration of femininity, inclusivity, and diversity. For us, a member of LGBT community, this pageant will be forever part of what we call society. Naimbahag na pintas, kaya nalagsap ni aming tutag ni gabi, or should I say, what a pleasant evening, people of the land. Standing before you is an 18 years old stunner, hailing all the way last, gikan sa magbaysay ug mag-anyag ng mga walay-walay from the happiest people in the world, city of Tacloban. This is Ceci Maravillo, indeed an innocent, never been kissed and never been touched. Sa layo-layo ko na natin pinanggalingan, wala ko bang palakpakan dyan? Wala ko ba? Higawan dyan? Wala ko bang pwedeng join dyan? Joke naman po. Tonight is a celebration, a beauty of diversity. I believe mas fresh pa sa Be Fresh. This is Queen Altaya Smith in real life, but since tonight, we are here to celebrate beauty and diversity. So please to allow me to stand by the limon, ang babaeng lumihan, sa pusat ibigay ni Mr. Gerald Anderson. Sabay-sabay po natin malakbakan at iwan ang nag-iisang Pilipining Julia Barreto.
Ang taas ng mind. Paano ako magsisimula kung hindi kayo magpapalampakan? Paano naman po ako gaganahan kung hindi kayo maghihiyawan? Dito sa ating mundong ginagalawan, kailanman hindi pamantayan kung anong uri at taas sa listado ng pamumuhay natin ka. At lalong-lalo hindi pamantayan kung gaano ka man kapalit at kaganda. Dahil ang tunay na timbangan ng Diyos dito sa ating mundong ginagalawan ay kung ano ang nagawa nating kabutihan. At lagi niyo pong tatandaan aking mga kaibigan, ang kagandahan ay natatagpan kapag ang puso, utak, talento na ang napag-uusapan.
To yourself. Give life to magic, not magic to life. Mabuhay and welcome to Philippine Airlines. We care about your safety. Please store your baggage and your overhead bins or under the seats in front of you. This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking, including use of electronic cigarettes, is not allowed. Maayong gabi, mga katawan sa Mayorga. My name is Roxy Ramos, 25 years of age, born in Cebu, raised in Manila, and settled in the suburbs of Leyte. I took a Bachelor of Science in Broadcast Journalism. I was a working student, so I would like to encourage everyone to pursue an education because I am here to advocate for education. I advocate for gender equality and equal access to quality of education. Kaya kitang tanan, we deserve a good education. My costume is an inspiration, came from my own town, from the city where I was born. We're the first city and the first year was born, Lapu-Lapu, celebrating the biggest festival in the Philippines, Sinulog Festival. Viva Pixinyon! Viva! 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 And before I Never been touched, never been kissed. And yes, fresh. Mas fresh pa sa air freshener. This is your Queen Ivan Silagantiola, 80, from the pride and beauty of Tacloban City. But since tonight is a pattern, allow me to introduce your sexy hot babe. Ang nagpatibok, tibok, tibok. Ang nagpoktok, utog, utog. Sa puso't ihika ni Richard Rochanes. Yes po, si Sarah. Sarah Duterte sa pagtulog at naging Sarah Labati sa pag-isip. Sarah Labati saying, if beauty is a crime, then I surrender. Once again, diri gumuli at mula. Lights, camera, action. Welcome to the world of amazing beauty and to the homosexual society through the excerpt of our sexuality. Good evening, congenial people of Mayorga Leyte. This is Chanel Katampatan Kibuyin, 22. But since tonight is the night whose individual existence must be appreciated and recognized, allow me to stand by the name. Ito po ang babaeng sangre danayan ng sambayan ng Pilipino. Oo, tama po kayo. This is your Miss Binibining Senorita, Sanya Lopez.
Nang magpasabog ang Diyos ng kagandahan, isa ako sa nabinaan. Ngunit anong masilbi ng aking kagandahan kung walang malakas at masigabong palakpakan? Maraming salamat po. Aanin ko po ang aking kagandahan Senado, mahirap magpakababae kung sadyang ikay isang tunay na babae. Sa ibang kamay naman po, mahirap magpakalalaki kung kami naman isang tunay na lalaki. Ngunit subalit ang pagpagpus, ang mahirap sa lahat ng pagkatao kung kami rin namin i-respeto at tatanggapin bilang isang tao. Wala po na sa pagiging tomboy o pagiging baklaman hanggang hindi po kami gagawa ng mismo namin kasasama. Maayong gabi, ikaw ninyong panalo siya ay say, good evening ladies and gentlemen.
Ikaw na ang nakakaraan ng pinabuklod-buklod ng isang karangkaan upang sumahusay na pagpapakilanlan sa nilayo-layong paho ng aking pinanggalingan at sa dinami-dami paho ng pagsubok ang aking pinagdaanan. Narito po ako sa inyong harapan, hindi para upang kutyain, laitin o inyong pagtawanan. Bagus po, narito po ako dahil magiging parte po ako ng kasaysayan dito sa mga siglo na sasakupan. Batid po ang mga intelihente, matatalino at mga professional sa ating mga hurado. Kaya ako na lamang po ang humihingi ng pagmanhin sa mga naunang kandidata. At sa natingtirang kandidata, bigyan po natin ng 100% ng ating pagpapakilala. Sapagkat po, 50% ngayon ng nanonood ay pawang kabataan. Hi, hello and good evening. A lady boy that fascinates your eye at the moment is your lovely candidate number 9. I am Queen Valerie Bulga in my real name.
Hello, hi, mabuhay. Welcome to the world of amazing beauty and to the helpless sexual society. I am one of the most happiest trends in the world. Happy because I am contented. Contented because I am fulfilled. Fulfilled because I am successful in the labor that I begin. Since God deserves the best of everything, I ought to be the best that I can be. Hello, hi. A lady girl that fascinated your eye at the moment is Kim Luis Santos, a fresh graduate at Leyte Normal University, a senior high school student taking a general academic trend. 19 years old, honor. But tonight, since this is the night of an social acceptance, the moment to stand by the name, ang babaeng bumihag sa pihikap gusto ni Mr. Ronnie Alonde. Yes.